Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn the fourth hiragana row, ta, chi, tsu, te, to. The first letter is ta. Pronounce ta. Example word tamago. Tamago means egg. Now let's see a simple sentence. Tamago wo tabemas. Tamago wo tabemas meaning I eat eggs. Second one, chi. Chi. Example word chizu. Chizu means map. Map. Example sentence. Chizu wo mimasu. Chizu wo mimasu meaning I look at the map. Chizu wo mimasu. Next one, tsu. Tsu. Example word tsuki. Tsuki means moon. Example sentence. Tsuki ga kirei desu. Tsuki ga kirei desu meaning the moon is beautiful. Tsuki ga kirei desu. Next we have te. Te. In Japanese, the hiragana letter te is also used as a noun, which means hand. Example sentence. Te o araimasu. Te o araimasu meaning I wash my hands. Te o araimasu. Next one, to. Pronounce to. Example word tori. Tori means bird. Example sentence. Tori ga tondeimasu. Tori ga tondeimasu meaning the bird is flying. Tori ga tondeimasu. In the next video, we will learn the fifth hiragana row, na, ni, nu, ne, no. See you in the next lesson. Mata ne.